See how thick it is. Oh yeah. About 6 to 8 inches on top and 4 to 5 on bottom. Sweet. Okay, gonna get this all mixed up. Fire the truck up and get this tank nice and clean. Yeah, pretty nasty. Okay, these chunks were the ones that were in front of the wall baffle that's in this tank. And, well, they're almost gone now, so. So this is the middle lid on this tank. And with this style of tank, they have a big wall baffle in the front and the back. The front actually quite a bit larger of a wall baffle. It kind of creates like a chamber up there almost. That's where all this heavy sludge is coming from right now. The back one doesn't hold any solids or anything. So there it is. The last of the Mohicans. Alright, got the tank pretty much clean all the way up now. You can see there's that trough in the bottom there. It makes it super nice to clean these out because everything flows to that trough. So basically just getting what little is left, and so that's everything now on this one. This one looks good to go. These homeowners are good for another 3 to 5 years. So yeah. And then it makes it super nice because I've got a riser right onto the surface. So sweet.